Hi everyone, last time we did a one-click blog post review of SEO writing AI. Today we're going to do the bulk article generation and see how it works. So with the bulk generation, you can auto post up to 100 articles in a batch to your WordPress in one click using the automation auto posting plugin, which we'll see in a minute. So I'll go back to the pricing page. Use the link in the description to start your free trial, which will have up to 5 article generations. And then the paid version, you have the starter version, which begins the plan, which has 50 article generation per month. And then the best one is the professional one with up to 250 generations. So the billing is based on the generations, the number of generations, not the word count. So you can change the number of articles you want, which is the generations you want. So it's this professional plan has an external linking feature, and internal linking feature is coming soon. And we'll be using Clouded Free Opus, which is the best AI model available in the market. There are also other AI models available. We have quality AI image, auto citing, and humanizer text features. So let's just click on the bulk article generation, and so this is where you'll be directed to. There are some instructions you can read. Add the main keyword title, and then the keyword sections, which are at the right side. You can exclude them, they're not optional. And so I'll show you how to do it. But before we do anything, I would like us to integrate the plugin. So I'll go to integrations, open a new tab. So I want to do the WordPress integration. In this case, I'll go to my WordPress dashboard, add a new plugin, and then I'll type in Seowriting. And then here we have the article that I wanted, the plugin. So it has over 20,000 active installations. So click on install. Once it is installed, you have to click on the activate button. Okay. And then now I want to search for that plugin. Okay, I think it's below. So here it is. Click on the setting button, and then now you want to connect your website. Just click on connect, and your website has already been connected. So that's how it connects. So you'll see your website URL and email address, and your website is now successfully connected. So if we go to settings, we have this new tool called Seowriting. Let's see. So we can see that our website is connected to seowriting.ai. To disconnect, just click on disconnect, and then you go under settings. Want to change the structure and data. If you're going to use FAQ schema, change it to JSON. So back to the bulk generation. I want to show you how to add keywords. So I have 10 keywords I've prepared as random keywords for the purpose of testing. So I'm going to, the first keyword I'm going to use for voice search. So I'm going to type in there. And then the second one, I want to do link building. So on the main keyword section, just add a new row and type your keyword there. You can also use a spreadsheet. You can import a spreadsheet. So I want to generate the article titles with AI. That button generates the main keywords, and then this button is the one we want to click on to generate the titles. And you can see all the titles now have been auto-generated. Very good titles. Okay, let's now do the rest of the settings, the core settings. So our language, you want it to be in English. The tone of the voice, I want it to be friendly. Just leave it as friendly. Point of view, I always prefer first person or second person. And then target audience, United States of America. And then proficiency, I want to use 7th grade, which is easy to read. Is our humanizer text. Okay, and then we want to go down to the media hub. Do you want to add images? Yes. I want to add images to all the articles. And then the number of images, leave it as 3, or you can add. YouTube videos, I do want to add videos, and I will add 2 videos which will be alternating with the images. You can change the dimension of the image if you're interested, or you can just leave it default. On the structure, I prefer the statistical or facts to be an introductory hook. I don't want quotes and I don't want FAQ. And then on the external links, I'll choose the automatic. So this one is on the paid version. Use the link to start a free trial and get 25% off. Choose automatic. Number of links 3 to 4, and make sure they are evenly distributed throughout your article. Okay, on the connect to the web, you want to connect to deep web. Citations, if you are interested in source links and citation, just enable them. Okay, and then we want to work on this section called publish to WordPress. It's very important. So we want to auto-publish our content direct to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so that every time it finishes generating just auto-posts. So to do that, I'll just click on, since I've added my website, I just click on publications, and then I'll click on now add my website there. And then now I want to choose the category. I want the articles to go. I want them to go under WordPress tips. Okay. Then choose the author. So I'm hiding my authors. Choose your favorite author. And then post status. You want it to be published, draft, or scheduled. So you can choose any of those as you need. Do you want to add tags? In this case, I don't need tags. Okay. And then the URL structure of the articles, I want them to be based on the main keywords. So the URL will be shorter and relevant. Then additional settings, add first image to the featured image, which is okay. If you want to add a meta description for the excerpt field, you can just enable that. Once everything is done and you're okay with that, just click on that arrow button as you will write, and you go back to the top of the page. And so now one thing we didn't do is the AI model. So I said use Anthropic Cloudy 3, and this is only available on the paid version. So you use again the link in the description to get 25% off to be able to use the Anthropic Cloudy 3 Opus, which is the best. But for illustration, I will use the free version, which is Anthropic Cool. And then afterward, you will click on the run button. So when you click on the run button, you'll be asked to upgrade to the paid features. So I'll show you how to upgrade to the paid features. Use the link to get an extra 25% off and also start your free trial. And then when you go to this page, you'll be directed to this page. If you choose to pay yearly, you'll have another extra 25% off. Okay, on the starter plan you pay $168, on the professional plan $708. So now after clicking, I've been directed to this page. So this is the amount of pay, $708, but based on my location I have a tax of $113, which I think it's really a lot, which makes actually the total amount even much huge. So to change this, just click on the change location. I want to change my location from Kenya to the United States of America and see what will happen. If I change it to the USA and I put a zip code for Pennsylvania, so that I have, you can see the taxation is gone. So I'll pay the actual amount using PayPal or whichever method, or using credit card. So you can do the same. You can just change the location and then subscribe.